Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Papeete, Tahiti, and I'm standing in front of Notre Dame. Yeah, I really am. This is Notre Dame in Tahiti. So I'm going to take you and show you. I don't know if it's open or not. I asked the policeman, but they said you just got to walk around and see if there's a door open. I thought that was funny too. Anyway, let's turn this around and we'll go look. So this is the church, Notre Dame. And I don't know, so I guess we'll walk around it and see. And it's interesting, the chickens and so anyway, interesting. Do you think they have any open doors? It's really a pretty church, actually. Huh. Let's go see if that sign says something entertaining and educational. Cathedral de la Papeete, Notre Dame, Notre Dame, de la Immaculate Conception, blah, 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 blah. Built in 1890 or 1875. Started in 1875 and finished in 1890. I don't know for sure, but we'll walk around and see what we can find. Maybe we'll get really lucky and there'll be a door or some guy's getting inside and we can follow him in. And you know what? Eric's got to try the handle. You know that, right? When in doubt, push on the door. Not that one. And there's literally chickens everywhere. I mean, I guess if you were hungry, you could just grab one of these chickens and you could do some frying up. Huh. Wow. You could hear all the chickens. Huh. All right, I'm going to try this one now too. The pavement's pretty uneven. Be careful. Nope, that ain't doing it. They take pretty good care of their church though, for sure, huh? And that one doesn't look open either, but you know, we pushed on all of them. We might as well push on this one too, right? That's not it either. Okay, everybody. Well, this is Notre Dame in Papeete. Let me slide back a titch and give you the tower view too. Very cool. Okay, everybody. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.